everybody. This is going to be a video on how to fix the error when you're trying to install Windows. It says Windows cannot be installed on this disk. The selected disk is of GPT Partisan Style. So what you're going to want to do at first is you're going to want to delete all the partitions you have by hitting delete. After that, you go back to this screen. You're going to hit Shift F10. After you hit Shift F10, you're going to type disk part as one word. Then you are going to type list disk as 2 words. Then you're going to select the disk that you want to install on. I want to install on disk 3, so we're going to type select disk, or disk 2, my bad. Select disk 2. And then now you're going to type convert MBR. After you type convert MBR, it says that it will have converted. You can now just exit out of this, go back to the screen, hit that you accept, hit next, hit custom, find the disk you want, hit next, hit OK, and the rest of the process is just a simple installation.